Yo, it's that time. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. So I've got like 4 minutes up until market opens for New York session. Already made £10 on gold. So it's 30th September, end of the month. It's Tuesday. And I'm not surprised to the market is like flip flopping because it's the end of the month, which means it's a time where the monthly candle is going to close. So it's the closure of the monthly candle. So there's going to be some pullbacks, some things like that because it's the close of the monthly candle. So just thought that you should know that because I'm sure your Forex guru won't tell you. But anyway, let's get into it. So, got £96, your boy doing the most. So yeah, ended up coming back down. Let me show 1 hour. Yeah, well, Bitcoin ended up coming down. We had buys over here on the previous video. You'll see that, and then it hit there, came back down. So when I look at it on a daily time frame, like we're still in cells. You get me? We're just in cells. So this is a higher low. This is a lower low. This is a lower than this low. So we kind of really just formed the lower low right now on a daily. Gold, shit, gold did the same thing. So higher high, broke structure, formed new uptrend, higher high, came down. So I think we're gonna form another higher high just for us to come into that blue trend over here. So that's what I'm kind of anticipating on gold. Um, USD JPY, we having sells, I guess, because of this. Uh, oh, okay. Because of this, US shutdown looms. So there's a possibility that the US might shut down. But this is something that I think most of y'all should pay attention to. Bernstein is a bank in America that sees a strong buy opportunity in the US medical stock. So just giving me COVID vibes. So yeah, man, market is about to open in 30 seconds. So I'm finna just do this. So if we break this structure here, I'm anticipating buys. If we break below this structure here, I man, if we break below this structure here, I'm anticipating sells. So I'm trying to formulate a new strategy because that 5 minute one blew my fucking prop firm challenge. So y'all just check out episode 10 for that and then just see how we go. So right now we got 7 seconds until market opens, and then let's see what we do. I'm anticipating a buy. I'm anticipating a buy. So market just opened. Okay, we're climbing. If we reject the zone and go back down, then I think we are good for those sells. So right now, market just opened and it's not looking good. Market is weak because, like I said, on a monthly, we are forming that monthly closing candle. So yeah, markets is going to be hella choppy right now. Remember, I'm only anticipating buys if you can break this red structure here. Right. Other than that, I'm not looking for any what you call it. I'm not looking for any orders to place. You get me? So yeah, market is literally forming some kind of like, what do you call this? What do you call that thing? Wixor or Wixor or something like that. But it's where the basically the market has no direction. So yeah, yeah, boy. So we literally haven't broken structure at all. We're still within the range. Yeah, well, like I said, bro, market is forming a Wixor, bro. Look at that. Now we going back up. Now we're going back up. So just gotta wait for the market to do what it's gotta do, take out buyers, take out sellers, and then we'll see what it really wants to do. You see, imagine if my pending order, my sell pending order was here. Phew. Yo, that's why I put it over here at this low over here, because I knew we're going to like ah, it's not gonna work. Yeah, well, so I needed to break structure. Then if it breaks structure, then perhaps maybe I'll put in a feeler order, an order to feel the market to see what direction it's going at. Which is a feeler order is basically an order, a buy or sell that you are comfortable to lose. Yeah, but it's not really like a trade that you're going to be like, I want to make profit off of it. It's just to check to see the direction of the market, whether it's going in that direction or not. Yeah, bro. So yeah, let's see, can we break this structure over here? Can Nas push through and break that structure? But one thing I know is that at 15:35 we're gonna have that reversal by candle. So yeah, I love how immaculate my trade is, bro. Like, it's absolutely just ridiculous. All right. Oh shit, not enough money. Oh god damn. Oh, unable because it doesn't have enough money. Damn. Okay. So I gotta use zero point 0.3 lot size. Shit. Damn. That was fucked. That was absolutely fucked. I did not anticipate that. Oh my goodness. And that time I'm actually supposed to be in profit. Fuck. But guess what? I'm place that buy for that buy reversal in the next few minutes, and then place a continuation order, because right now we broke the structure, right? We've broken market structure. We going for those sells. Retest retest is in play right now. That's something that I can definitely say, is that a retest is in play. Shit. Fuck. Let me do this as well then. Damn. That was fucked up. That was absolutely fucked up. Huh. I wanted to place a double, but see, I would be in deep ass profits right now. So I'm gonna place my pending order again over there. Stop loss, TP around about there, and then go for that buy trade round about now. Go for that buy trade round about now, just before there. And then, yeah, man, let's just wait for it to hit TP. If it hits TP, and then have that sell order indicates as well, because I think on a 4 hour time frame we're about to do some major sells, bro. On a 4 hour time frame, we're about to do some major sells on a 4 hour time frame. So I'm not anticipating a very big uh, sell. I mean, a very big buy, because market is already telling us that it wants to dump, and it wants to dump hard. So I just hope it hits that TP. Come on, man, you there? There we go. Thank you. Sell order has been indicated. Sell order has been indicated. TP has been hit, and then the next 5 minutes. Next 1 minute, we can just be waiting for those cells. And now we have a fucking sniper entry, boys. Look at that. Now we have a fucking sniper entry, my boy. Look at that. What do you call that? You call that a sniper. That's what people call that, a sniper entry. So the moment market breaks these lows over here, then I can move my stop loss into that area, because as you can see, we've clearly rejected off of that zone. So the moment market can close below that, we will move our stop loss into that area. And then voila, just like that, we can do this and secure profits. Now we can let the market do whatever the fuck it wants to do, because now we've just literally had a sniper entry. We've already secured profits on those reversal buys, and we can further dip it in around about there. Okay, let's secure £5, and okay. How the market jammed. Damn. I the market jammed, guys. At Fana, I jammed the market. I look, it's jammed. Tough situation. It's not moving, though. It's jammed. It's not moving. Only now it's moving, and that time is still continuing down, bro. It's still continuing down. Ah, tough that shit. Of that shit. So now my balance is at £100. I can delete this buy pending order. Um, let's see if it was gonna hit my TP. Let's see if it was gonna hit my TP. Shit, guys, like this is simple, bro. Let's see if it was gonna hit my TP. Um, Sometimes if the market is like strong, what I would do is that, because I can see that we broke the structure, and it's a structure that is on the trend line, so we bounced off of it, but it's also an area in which the market has clearly rejected off of it countless times. It tried to sell and went back up and rejected. If we can go back up and retest this area and close below it and continue down, then I'll place my sell orders around this price, around this wick price. So let's see if it is going to, because my sell TP was here, around about this area. So let's see if within the next 5 minute candle, we were going to be able to hit our TP. But other than that, I'm good. Uh, I'm above 100. I'm done for the day. I wanted to play zero point 0.6 lot size, but I guess I didn't have enough money to do so, so I had to go for 0.3 lot size. Fuck, you know? Okay, so going back up, let's see if we can hold below that zone. If we go back up in that zone, then I guess this area is invalidated, basically. Yeah, well, so, oh, there we go back in. Let's see if we can close below it. Nope. We're going straight back in. Going straight back in. So this area is invalid because we didn't have no buys. We broke this sell trending order here because we were anticipating sells. So if we close above this area, then I know Oguchi that we're going back to retest over here. Like I said a few minutes earlier, we're going back to retest that area to see whether or not we have completely broken market structure and we're now in a sell trend. And to confirm this, a sell trend has higher lows, right? It has higher lows, higher low, higher low. It has lower low, lower low, lower low. So let's see on a bigger time frame if we are entering a sell trend. And I believe if this is correct, this would be our sell trend right here. And just to give it more credibility, we'll make another trend line at that area and then draw another trend line at that area and see whether, oh, and it was, and it is, let alone it was. Yeah, well, let's just zoom out a bit. Of that. So we hit here. This is a low. This is a lower low, and this is the lowest low we formed. So we bounced off that lower low. We've gone above there, and you can see that this trend line over here, is an area in which the market respected on this upward trend line. And you see here it went down, broke out, but quickly came back in, rejected, came down. So it's safe to say that on a 15-minute time frame, because this red candle is just one 15-minute candle. If we can close above this, I'll then enter buys just to get my balance up a bit. You get me? And see, since I have a bigger balance, let's see if I can place 0.04 lot size, sorry. So, yeah, man, what's Forbes telling us? Now, so TP here, TP there. This stop loss order got hit, but as you can see, it's in profit. That's the stop loss order that we took, and then this is the sell order that got indicated. So yeah, okay, we broke below it. We might just close below this, and then that means that the buys that I was thinking about taking are going to be invalid. Yeah, well, so that's the whole thing about trading, guys. It's not about predicting the market. It's about taking the current real-time information, analyzing it as fast as you can with the trading skills. Okay, shit, now we're going back up. If we can close below it, then buys are in order. Um, Close above it, sorry, then buys are in order. Yeah, but okay, buys are. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, fuck it. We're no longer buying. We could have bought, but the market already, basically it's already doing that retest for us. Because I thought we are gonna close this candle, form a 15-minute candle, and have a green candle that's going to go up to retest this trend line over here. But I guess we're already doing that, guys. We're already doing that before the 15-minute candle, which means there's a strong possibility that this was nothing more than a liquidity grab. And if that's the case, then the next play is that if we can close above this line, close back within this range, then I'm done for the day. However, if we can close and the next 5-minute candle forms outside of this trend, then I can place a short little buy trade all the way up until there. But looks like market is going back in, bros. Looks like market is going back in. Could it touch? Would it hold? Will it hold? Will it hold? I guess it does. Sniper trade, TP there, already in profit, and we're just gonna wait until it plays out, and then that's the 15-minute candle. There we go, it's green, and bing bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Just push up a little bit, baby. That's right, you're almost there, baby. Almost there, baby. Baby, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Yes, that's right. That's right. Just a little more, baby. You almost there. You almost there. You almost there. No, don't throw it back. Don't throw it back. That's right. Just keep going, baby. Keep going. You know how daddy like it. You know how daddy like it. You see the market, baby. Don't do that. Don't throw it back. Don't throw it back. Just keep, that's right. That's right. Just like that. Just like that. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. 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 Oof. Lovely. Oh, lovely. That's right. You like to tease daddy, don't you? I see you. I see you. Okay. I see you. Don't do that now. Don't do that. Don't do that. I see you playing with daddy feelings now. I see you playing with daddy feelings. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't play with daddy feelings. Fucking throwing it back and shit. Come on. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, oh, come on. Come on. Come on. This is a sniper entry, by the way. Absolutely diabolical. Absolutely diabolical. I think I might just close this trade. I think I might just close this trade. Or perhaps maybe double down. I think I might just double down on this trade. If it doesn't go back in within the next 3 minutes, then I'm doubling down. I hate this. See, this is what the market does, bro. If you don't have like a structure, an idea, a broad idea, a specific way in which you trade, and you're like, fuck it, I've tested this, proven this, because at the end of the day, the market has always rejected this area as well. And my buys are always in this. Look at this. The market, even coming, look, rejected, rejected. So I know, Uguti, that this is a very strong support. The market will play with you and be like, oh, let's hit TP, baby. Let's hit TP, baby. Let's go. Let's go. You're almost there, baby. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy. Just do it for daddy. Do it for daddy. Just get there, baby. Mm. Every time, bro. Every time. Every fucking time. But you know what? I think I'm gonna close this trade. Just wait for it to get into profit. And then close this trade. Close on a loss? No, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. No, sir. We do not want to close in a loss. Close in profit, close in loss. Let's see what we trying to do. We closing in a loss or in a profit? What we trying to do? What we trying to do? Hmm? We closing in a profit? We closing in a profit? What we trying to do? What we doing? Closing in profit or in a loss? Because the moment I see negative £2, I'm doubling down. I'm gonna place another trade. So you don't want me to throw it back at you double time, do you? I guess you do, you dirty little bitch. Oh, not enough money. Damn. You dirty little bitch. Oh, not enough money to. Oh, god damn. Damn. Shit. I told you if we close about. Ah, fuck. Damn. Puts me back at. Ah, dude. That's some more bullshit. But I'm not worried. Just gonna double. The fuck? You telling me that, oh, my margin is at 73. Okay. Damn. I did not anticipate that. Wow. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Should have walked away when I knew Guti that it's struggling to break there. Should have walked away. Wow, that's crazy. So I guess the profits that I made on my on the single trade is gonna put me back at break even. So I didn't lose, I didn't win. Okay, let's go back up to like 100. Then I can close because then that means I would have only lost £3. Let's go back up onto £100. If we can go back up to £100, that would be lovely. That would absolutely be beautiful because then I only would have lost £3. Let's see what we're doing on a 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, we like that. Okay, we're going back to retest this area, but are we gonna go back up after that area? That's the real question. That's the real question. That's the real question. Uh, let's let's see. If we can just go back up to 100 pounds. Yeah, but 100 pounds, I call it a day. That means I made enough money to get me into three digits, but I didn't make enough money to keep me above three digits, if you get what I'm saying. So this is gonna be a long ass video. Wow, 25 minutes. Damn, and the market is going. The market is going. If this market does not close above this area right here, I lost all the profit that I made this entire day. Would you look at that? This would have been a nice ass sell. Oh my god, that would have been a dope ass sell. Yeah, that would have been a dope ass sell. Absolutely diabolical sell. But yeah, man, let's just see how the market does. Just close back up of 100 pounds. I'm good. I'm not gonna caress the market. I guess the market doesn't like a little foreplay. Yeah. No, because the market saw Gucci that I was chowing. I was chowing. You saw those sniper entries. The market is like, this nigga dangerous. This nigga dangerous. I need to catch him in a trade that he can't back out of. And then it put me in this fucking situation that it's in now. Yeah, bro. This is gonna be my longest video ever. Like this is my longest video yet. Yeah, well. Uh, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Like, if you can go back up into 100 pounds, I'll take this L comfortably. Comfortably. If we can take this L, this go back above 100 pounds, I'll take this L comfortably. Like, I'll take it on like a pat on the back, even like, yeah. I chowed, but the market showed me flames. You know, the market showed me fire. I came here with flames. Yeah. Damn. Did you see that shit? What? Yo. Fucking hell. You see that? That's the problem with the fucking market. You see that shit? Just in minutes, bruh. In seconds, not even minutes, seconds, bruh. You can literally be like, fuck it. Is this a liquidity grab? I don't know. I don't think it's a liquidity grab. I think it's a continuation. Could have held my sell orders, but we can try that tomorrow. So let me just close here in a loss of fucking 16, 17 pounds. Damn. Damn. I would have secured the bag with this one. Would have secured the bag retardedly, bruh. But yeah, man, that's the trade for the day. That's the trade for the day. That's the trade for the day. And then the market decides to go back up. You see how that works? You see how that works? Do you see how that works? Do you see how that works? It's ridiculous, though. Absolutely diabolical. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Ah, could have made bag on Bitcoin as well. Could have made bag on Bitcoin as well, but I was focused on Nas. So yeah, man, that's your boy signing out for the day.